Guys, we're gonna do a grilled porterhouse steak without a grill coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to CJ's Q. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's Q crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? We are going to be grilling a steak without a grill. I was approached by old Chris over at MeatCranium BBQ and Review about doing a collaboration on grilling steaks in an odd, different, inventive way. So I think he's going up on the roof. Guys, I'll put his link below for his video, and also use the hashtag. It's called the hashtag is called Steak Like a Boss. Click on that, it'll take you to all the other videos of the people in this collaboration. What we're doing differently today is we're just going to use a chimney starter, my little chimney starter that I got with my pit barrel cooker, and a GrillGrate. We're just going to put one on top. All right, so I was thinking about using a shovel, but that's been done. I was thinking about, you know, doing my fire pit, but honestly, I've thrown probably a few cigars in there, and I don't know if tobacco would go good with my barbecue, so we're not using the fire pit. We are going to use just a simple metal table, chimney on there, a little bit of cherry wood, a couple chunks in there, and get it going. Nothing too terribly complicated about this one. It's just about having some fun. But make sure you hit that hashtag when you're done with this video, and you can check out what everybody else did, all right? It's a hot day out here. I'm looking forward to getting in that pool, but first we gotta get to work and make this steak. All right, so what I have is a porterhouse steak. It probably is the smallest porterhouse steak I've ever seen, but I have one nonetheless. We're using some Heath Ryle's pecan rub along with his everyday rub. Just sprinkle it on there, all the sides, all front, back, side to side, all that good stuff. All right, it's sweating right now, and so am I. But that's gonna taste a lot better. So, all right, let's get this chimney fired up and get our steak on. What do you say? Come on back. It's so hot, Charlie even got in the pool. All right, we're gonna wait for all that heavy white smoke to dissipate. It's still burning the fire starter in there. But once that's done, I'm gonna put the steaks on and just let it catch a little of the smoke from the cherry wood. I just used a couple cherry wood chunks in there. I did it towards the bottom, you know, so it catches with the charcoal in the bottom, and gives us a good cherry wood flavor as we're grilling this bad boy up. So it's not quite a reverse sear, as we're going to be kind of cooking it over the heat the whole time, but we're looking to get some of that smoke right off the bat. We're getting some of that good wood smoke on there. Let's get this porterhouse on. Let it catch a little heat, let it catch a little smoke, and start the cooking process, baby. Looking good. Flip it. Some marks on the other side. We're going about a minute each side. We'll keep flipping back and forth until we get to about 125 internal, give or take. Okay, it's been about a minute. Let's give it a flip. Definitely getting a little heat on that thing. We're gonna keep flipping it a little sooner, just so we don't like char it too much. Been flipping, moving and grooving. Let's check the temps. 105. 118. All right, so we just got a couple more flips and we'll be good to go. And then we'll let it rest and then we'll cut into it. All right, guys, the drunken unicorns say it is ready. Let's get this inside, let it rest, and we'll cut in. All right, guys, we've let the steak rest. Let's cut into it. We were looking for a nice medium rare to rare. We succeeded. All right. All right, look at that. Nice, nice. If you don't like your steak a little bloody, yeah, it's your choice for sure. But This is how we like our steak. All right. See if we can make this all pretty like. All right. A little rare towards the middle of the bone, of course. But